we'll guide you through how to make round text in Figma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because Figma users often want to create circular typography for logos, badges, packaging, posters, and social media graphics. To create circular text in Figma, begin by heading over to your desktop and giving that colorful Figma F icon a quick double-click to launch the application. Once the program opens, open up the specific project file you want to work on directly from your dashboard. After your design file loads, look down toward the bottom center of your screen to locate the main floating toolbar. Click on the shape icon drop-down and select the ellipse tool, or simply press the O key on your keyboard as a shortcut. Hold down the Shift key while clicking and dragging on your canvas so you can create a perfectly even circle shape. After drawing the circle, look over at the right-hand properties panel and locate the stroke section. Click the plus sign to add a visible outline around your circle so you can clearly see the path you will place the text onto. Next, look toward the bottom toolbar again and locate the capital letter T icon. Click the tiny drop-down arrow beside it, and from the small menu that appears, choose Text on Path to activate the Curved Text tool. Move your cursor directly over the edge of your circle until the border becomes highlighted. Then click once directly on the circular path. Immediately type out your phrase and watch as the words automatically wrap and bend perfectly around the edge of the circle. After your text appears, move over to the right-hand properties panel and find the typography section so you can adjust the font size, weight, or style to make the design look cleaner and more polished. To control where the text begins or rotates around the shape, locate the small blue handles at the beginning of your sentence. Click and drag those handles around the circle until the text sits exactly where you want it, whether at the top, side, or bottom. Finally, click anywhere on the empty gray background outside your design to deselect everything and admire your finished round text layout.